Hey everybody, this is John from A Global, and this is little videos on your Honda Civic. This is for your engine air filter replacement, and this is on the 10th generation model. That's the 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. First thing you want to do is open the driver's side door and obviously pull the latch to open the hood. Next thing you're going to want to do is to put your hands underneath the hood and try to find the latch to slide it across to actually open the hood. And you can see that latch right there. It just moves over to the right and the hood will be able to open up. The next thing you want to do is to use the bar, and that bar actually holds the hood open. The next thing we're going to do is locate the air cleaner. It's right in front of the battery right here, and obviously there's two tabs that holds this thing closed, and we're just going to open those two tabs and pull the box forward and upwards to allow the air cleaner to be removed. At this point in time, obviously, I hope you purchased a new filter to replace the one you just removed. You can see how the new filter, how much cleaner it is compared to the old one. And here's a little shot of the different filters that can be used. So everybody may ask, what filter would I use? I recommend an OEM filter. The one I'm using here is the EcoGuard XA10496. Also, you can use the Champ AF5264, the Fram CA12051, and the Wix 10416. So now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our new filter, and as we place it in there, we want to make sure it goes in and sits flush on the bottom portion. And also, please note that there are some tabs located towards the back of the enclosure. So on the lower enclosure, where the top enclosure actually fits down into the two tabs where it will hinge and sit in nicely. The next thing you're going to want to do is to actually use the clips on the side and close up the enclosure to where everything fits snug and nicely, and shake it a little bit and make sure it's in there tight. So please don't forget to double check your work. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.